Ward, ward. I get bored when there's nothing to do. Curious, curious. I am curious to know what's inside the mysterious box. Motivated, motivated. I feel motivated to exercise after watching a fitness video. Embarrassed, embarrassed. I get embarrassed when I trip in public. Anxious, anxious. I am anxious about the upcoming job interview. Loved, loved. I feel loved when my family hugs me. Relaxed, relaxed. I feel relaxed after a hot bath. Fulfilled, fulfilled. I feel fulfilled when I help others. Overwhelmed, overwhelmed. I feel overwhelmed with all the tasks I need to complete. Guilty, guilty. I feel guilty when I make a mistake. Relieved, relieved. I feel relieved when I finish a difficult exam. Insecure, insecure. I feel insecure when I compare myself to others. Confident, confident. I feel confident in my abilities. Satisfied, satisfied. I feel satisfied after eating a delicious meal. Regretful, regretful. I feel regretful for not speaking up. Optimistic, optimistic. I am optimistic about the future. Jealous, jealous. I feel jealous when someone has something I want. Tired, tired. I feel tired after a long day at work. Lonely, Lonely. I feel lonely when I'm by myself for too long. Hopeful. Hopeful. I am hopeful that things will get better. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.